Well, it could possibly be the coolest story of the year so far. We have new clues in the mystery surrounding that old shipwreck which washed ashore in Ponte Vedra in March. It now has a new home, and researchers are even studying parts of it in labs. So here's a look at one woman who is unlocking the secrets of the wood.
So these are pieces of the ship's frame.
Lee Newsom is studying parts of the historic ship in her lab.
I just love it.
Newsom is an environmental archaeologist.
I especially work in the plant side.
She works in St. Augustine at Flagler College.
Look at this beauty.
You could call her a wood whisperer.
I don't know, it's like they speak to you or something. This wood has a definitive story to tell.
And it's quite a story for the ship. Archaeologists say it dates to 1830 to 1870. Here's the part we know. The ship washed ashore in Ponte Vedra Beach in March.
Said I have to check it out.
Thousands of people flocked to see it. Heavy equipment moved the 48-foot-long piece of a ship's hull off the sand. And now it's at the GTM Research Reserve in South Ponte Vedra along a nature trail.
It's beautifully preserved.
Now here's the part of the ship's story that Newsom is learning.
I remove ultra-thin slivers of the wood and mount them on these glass microscope slides. And each wood has more or less a fingerprint when you examine the cell structure.
She's learned most of the ship is made of American beech, a type of tree found in the southern U.S.
And I rarely ever see that.
Oak is what ships are usually made of.
So maybe the usual oak was just not available for one reason or another. So whoever constructed this ship shifted to beech.
Also, the wood is cut from the tree trunk in different ways, which leads her to ask,
but were the larger trees no longer available? So you shift to this, it means that timber was in short supply.
Newsom says the wood is in fantastic condition, so it's revealing even more.
That it's telling me that this whole section, at least, has been buried under the sediments since it wrecked, probably.
And Newsom says even though she hasn't seen all of this, by the pieces that she has alone, she knows the people who built this ship were skilled and knew what they were doing.
You know, the way the wood is split, the way the tree nails are made, you know, it doesn't look like a novice just learning how to craft.
She says it'll be tough to nail down what shipyard, even the city the vessel came from, but these chunks and slivers of wood may still have more secrets to share with her.
I start envisioning the shipbuilder, and I start thinking about this creaking hull on the water. So yeah, they speak to you. Yeah.